Hey yo, it's Skippy from Queensland, down under. This is the windowsill I'm doing, and I've just about done it. What we need to do is just put this last one in. I'll show you. This is silicone I'm using. You can use anything you want as long as it sticks to timber. Oh, nice. Right, I need to put a little wedge in there. Where is a yellow wedge? There. Let's put that there. That closes the mitre up nicely for when it dries. Bit of tape. Now here's a little trick for your DIYs. I haven't cut a little wee piece. This is all going to be white grout, and when you white grout it, you never see that there's no line there. So you put the bigger piece in. See what I mean there? And same here. You don't fluff around with little fiddly bits. You put in a whole piece. And when it's grouted, you never see that line. It's much better than having little wee bits. There's no need for it. We are living in 2022. I must put a little wedge in there as well. Where's a little wedge, Chriso? I've just got to check my mitres now to make sure that they're nice and flush. Oh, nice. Okay, folks, give us a thumbs up. I bring out 2 videos a day. One in the morning, it's a short, and one in the evening. It's a video the same as what I'm doing now. Pop into both of them, have a look, subscribe. Ooh, give us a thumbs up. See ya, bye.